Welcome! If you want to get lightning edges on your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here lightning edges. We have to get this application from the Sun Lightning, so click, tap install, and now just wait. Click open, and right now tap right here to add the new theme, set the name, click OK and the create, and we have to turn off this ad. And right now here we can change the run style, this swipe, the liner, and also we can set it up from the bottom right to the top left. And here we can also set up the border styles. I think the straight line is the best. Of course, we can speed it up. There's the animation speed. You can set it up like you want. There's also the size of the border, and I think that I'm going to get this thin, kind of. We have to set up also the regi stop to spread the corners at the bottom right now. And here's also the notch. We can set it the notch position here. Okay. We have to move it a little bit at the left side, I think. Okay, like that. And then just make it on the up, all right, and make it smaller. Okay, I think it looks cool, so click to create, tap here, select the enable over the other apps, overlay, click here, go back, and then here we are with our lightning edges, and it is working also on other apps, as you can see. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.